what's up, everybody? So today is Wednesday, a little later than I thought it was going to be. So I told you I'm going to post every Wednesday, but today was a long, productive day. So I'm just getting time to myself, really, while getting time for y'all. So, as you can see, just like home assisted living rehab center. So I'm in one of my assisted livings, the rehab center. So that's for another topic. We ain't gonna talk about that. We gonna talk about the life insurance to keep it where it's at. So the topic of today's session is to will or not to will. So some of y'all may know, like I stated in my previous videos, that I lost 2 aunts and an uncle. And in the process of that, I'm learning some things as I go that I knew theoretically, but I didn't know personally, like that close to it. So I'm gonna talk to you about estates and wills and how important they are. So I'm gonna read what an estate is from my book. See, my little book is highlighting everything. It's it. So an estate, the quantity of wealth or property remaining at an individual's death. So most times people use estates when they have like real estate or a whole lot of money or a whole lot of like wealth to leave behind. So they have to have estates and stuff of that nature. So sometimes in certain instances, the estate will have, precedence because it's just a mass accumulation of wealth. So in other times, you got your beneficiary and your contingent beneficiary. Now, in what I've been used to in the past is that when you have a beneficiary and a contingent beneficiary, then the estate part, that's really not as important because you got the beneficiary and the contingent beneficiary. Most times you will have an estate when there's no beneficiary, or like I said, you got a mass accumulation of wealth. So in this process that I'm going through with the loss of my family members, I'm learning that with this particular company, and I won't say the company's name, but with this particular company, their process is the estate has precedence over the beneficiary and the contingent beneficiary. And for some of y'all that may know a little bit about life insurance or a lot about life insurance or just the life insurance process, y'all might be confused like I'm confused, because sometimes I'm like, man, if you got a beneficiary and a contingent beneficiary, that takes precedence over that estate. But I'm learning with certain companies, I guess, they do their own thing in certain little ways. So one of the things that the Be Prepared, Not Scared band is going to offer, or what we do offer, not going to offer, but what we offer is estate planning, will writing, and we also have a legal team that goes over this, so you don't have to worry about none of the stuff that you may not be used to or you may not know, or somebody getting over on you, because you'll have a legal team that can help advise you through that stuff and to help you set up your estate when you set up the life insurance policy. So, with the life insurance, the estate part and the will part is just as important as the whole life insurance part. And I'm learning that now, so I'm coupling that, together now. So I know some of y'all might got questions like, well, Nick, did you write the policies? No, that's the thing. I didn't write the policies for, my uncle or my aunts. And it wasn't that I wouldn't have, but how sometimes when people are used to you or like family members, they kind of, don't let the left hand know what the right hand doing, so they kind of standoffish. So it's like it's kind of, they're guarded because they don't look at you as being, a professional. They look at you as being, my little nephew or my little whoever it is. So I didn't have that, but me learning this process, now everybody else, I'm gonna make sure everybody that come to me is prepared for whatever the situation is. On the last video though, I gotta shout this out. On the last video, somebody said that, you said that you didn't know what you were going to talk about the next week, and that wasn't the case. I knew what I was going to talk about. I just got all my stuff sectioned out in different topics. I just didn't know which topic I was going to talk about. So shout out to you for bringing that to my attention. I'm sorry about that. So I did know what I was talking about. I just didn't know what topic I was going to touch on. But for this particular topic, it's just as important to have that will in order, man, so everybody know exactly what it is. Nobody has to guess. And then you have that, and then it's legally done so that you're protected, and whoever you leave behind, your family, whatever family member you leave as your beneficiary, or if you do leave an estate, everybody kind of know what to do with, what you leave behind. In these next few weeks, though, I wanted to start off slow just to give you a little terminology of how, the words and certain things that are going to go. So the next couple weeks, I'm sorry, not a few weeks, but the next couple weeks that's coming ahead, we're going to talk about some of the different concepts on how you can use life insurance to fund your business, or how you can use a life insurance policy to fund your personal life. It's a certain way you got to set it up. So now we're about to get into the concepts. Now that we got the definitions and all that stuff out the way, we about to start getting into some of the concepts. And some of these concepts, you're going to look like, man, you can do all that with life insurance? Yes, and I'm going to show you how to do all that stuff. So for the people that want to set up any type of appointment or any type of consultation, or any type of anything that you're confused about up until this point, or anything you want to know about up until this point, if I haven't touched on it, or I will touch on it later, you can set up an appointment. Go to my website, www.bepreparednotscared.net. Set up an appointment, my phone number on there, my office location. So whatever you want to do, whatever you feel comfortable as, just go to the website and do whatever you feel comfortable as. I hope that this video has been helpful, and I will see y'all again next Wednesday, and we're going to get into more of the concepts. So y'all have a good day, and be blessed.